So another question we get asked quite a lot is how do I prune roses and when to prune them. Usually prune them between November and late February, maybe March, just when it's dormant before it grows any new buds. With all roses, you want to make sure that the centre is as open as possible to allow good airflow into the plant, so this will help prevent any diseases. When you first look at your rose, the first thing to assess is whether there's any dead branches, any diseased branches or any damaged ones, and remove those straight away because that will prevent further dieback. Another thing to bear in mind is any crossing branches, because these may become damaged as they grow later on. So for example, I'm going to remove, even though it's a good healthy stem here, I'm going to remove it just because it's crossing this one here. So I'll just snip that one off. When it comes to pruning the main branches, if you can, it's best to cut to an outside facing bud because again that'll encourage the open centre. The best thing to do is to get sharp clean secateurs and prune it at 45-degree angle away from the bud, so it'd be like this. So I'll just do that now. So what you can see now is that that slope is away from the bud, and that means that when it rains that water will drain away from the new bud and it won't rot off.